Do you want to improve your English naturally without memorizing hundreds of difficult words?
In this video, you will listen to a slow and natural English conversation designed for learners.
Just listen, relax, and repeat the sentences.
This simple practice can help you improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills.
Let's begin.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English for All.
In today's lesson, you will listen to a slow English conversation about daily life.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
Try to listen carefully and repeat the sentences.
Remember, practice every day, even if it is only for a few minutes.
Now, let's start the conversation. Hello. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. It's a beautiful morning today.
Yes, the weather is very nice. I really enjoy mornings like this.
Me too. Mornings are my favorite time of the day.
Why do you like mornings so much?
Because mornings feel fresh and peaceful. I feel more productive in the morning.
That makes sense. Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I try to wake up around 6 or 7 every day.
That's impressive. I usually wake up a bit later.
Everyone has a different routine. What do you usually do after waking up?
The first thing I do is drink water. Then I make coffee.
Coffee is very popular in the morning.
Yes, many people cannot start their day without coffee.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Almost every day. It helps me feel more awake.
After coffee, what do you usually do?
I usually check my phone and read some news.
That sounds like a common habit these days.
Yes, smartphones are part of our daily life now.
That's true. Technology has changed the way we live.
Sometimes I think we spend too much time on our phones.
I agree with you. It's important to balance technology with real life.
Exactly. That's why I try to take breaks from my phone.
That's a very good habit.
After breakfast, I usually start working.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work online most of the time.
That must be convenient.
It is convenient, but sometimes it can feel lonely.
I understand. Working with colleagues can be more enjoyable.
Yes, talking with people during work can make the day more interesting.
What kind of work do you do?
I do online work and also spend time learning English.
That's great. Learning English is a very useful skill.
Yes, English helps people communicate with others around the world.
Exactly. It is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world.
That's why so many people are trying to learn it.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English for about 2 years now.
That's great progress.
Thank you. I'm still learning every day.
What methods do you use to practice English?
I listen to podcasts and watch English videos.
That's a great method. Listening helps a lot.
Yes, listening helps me understand how native speakers talk.
Do you also practice speaking?
Yes, I try to speak English every day, even if it's only for a few minutes.
That's a very good habit. Practice is the key to improvement.
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you become.
Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English?
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous because I don't want to make mistakes.
That's normal. Many learners feel the same way.
But I remind myself that mistakes are part of learning.
That's a great attitude.
Yes, every mistake helps us improve.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, sometimes I watch movies with English subtitles.
That's a great way to learn new vocabulary.
Yes, and it also helps improve listening skills.
Do you have a favorite English movie? Yes, I enjoy watching inspiring movies. Yes, I enjoy.
Do you have a favorite English movie?
Yes, I enjoy watching inspiring movies.
Movies can teach us about language and culture.
That's true. Language and culture are closely connected.
What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading books and walking outside.
Walking outside is a great way to relax.
Yes, it helps clear my mind.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes I do. Music can make the walk more enjoyable.
That's true. Music can also help with language learning.
Really? How?
By listening to English songs and reading the lyrics.
That's an interesting idea.
Yes, it helps with pronunciation and vocabulary.
I should try that sometime.
Yes, it's both fun and educational.
Great job listening to this conversation.
If you want to improve your English faster,
Listen to this conversation again.
repeat every sentence.
Practice speaking out loud.
And don't forget to
Like the video.
subscribe to the channel Learn English for All.
Share the video with your friends.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing and never stop learning English.